Local time is approximately 1:35. We will be taxiing for the next few minutes, so please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and all items stowed until the captain turns the fasten seatbelt sign off. Please make sure that you have all of your belongings and be careful when opening up the overhead compartments. You are now free to use your mobile phones and small lightweight devices in the transmit mode. If you are connecting, please check the United app on your mobile device or see airport displays for up-to-date flight status and gate information. On behalf of United, our Star Alliance partners, and your entire flight crew, thank you for flying the friendly skies with us today. We hope you've had a pleasant flight, and we look forward to serving you again on another United flight. Have a nice day and happy holidays.